Good morning, you guys. Welcome to Vlogtober day 10. We reached double digits. I'm off to my spin class. My legs do hurt a little bit from my weight session yesterday, but I've done a lot of spin classes with slightly painful legs, and they certainly aren't the worst ones. There's a definite chill in the air this morning, and it was dark when I woke up, and it's still pretty dark, so we are definitely heading into winter. I remember at the beginning of summer when it started being light when I woke up and went to my spin. That felt crazy because it's a lot of months of dark spin classes. And then I think I was kind of supposed to do a run today, but I think I'm going to do one tomorrow before my upper body PT session. And I think we're almost a full house apart from HIT the beginning of the week, which I missed. So not too bad. And it was good today. I had a good workout, I think. Pushed myself. Headed back to the house now. If you're wondering what I'm listening to, I decided to try and listen to some of the books on my shelves in order to make the whole reading process quicker, but then I realised that actually it's much slower to listen to books in the grand scheme of things. What I really need to do is listen to lots of short books, so I could do like one a week. But I picked Ivanhoe stupidly because I didn't particularly want to read it, but I've realised now, and it started off pretty good, then we got to like 2 hours in and suddenly it was just like 5 hours of jousting, and I was like, oh no. And yeah, I realised that the times when I could be listening, usually I listen to something whilst I get ready for the day after I've done my exercise or whatever, and I realised at the time I could be listening only adds up to like maximum an hour a day, so it's taking me ages to get through it, but I'm gonna listen to it now. Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Come on then, you're coming up. You coming? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Come on then. He's gonna jump. Come on then, jump up. That's the lazy boy's way. That's the lazy boy's way. We like to pause here sometimes for a stroke. What's going on? Just nice. Thank you. Thank you. Hi guys. So we're obviously in the car on the way to pick up my sisters. Yeah, I thought we'd take the car because it's a little bit quicker, and then we can bring them back to our side of London a little bit quicker. And yes, we are going to have a nice morning. I'm not sure when I'm dropping them off yet, so I don't know fully what my plans will be, but we're definitely going to take Mimi for a walk. just got back from dropping my sisters off. It's quite a lot later today. But we had a nice time. We obviously walked Mimi, then we wandered around Westfield for a little while, just popped into some of the shops that they like and went for some food. They got pan and ices, as you saw. You're always creeping into the background of my vlog, so yeah. I'm going to show you my outfit quickly, and I'm going to film my September books. I'm feeling a little bit tired, so I don't know quite how it's going to come out, but hopefully it'll be good. And the reason why is because I am obviously going to have a girls' weekend this weekend. I think I mentioned that a few days ago. I'm going up to stay with one of my uni friends, Rach. She lives in Wakefield, and a few of my other uni mates are coming as well. So it's going to be fun, but it does mean that editing the vlog on the Saturday might be a little bit tricky. So I thought what I would do is I would film this book video, put that out for you on the Saturday, and then in Sunday's vlog I will combine footage from Friday and Saturday, and that way you're still seeing each day, but also it doesn't matter too much if I don't manage to film loads on the Friday and Saturday, and I also don't have to take my laptop and everything to Rachel's and edit there, and obviously I will try and edit Sunday's video as soon as I can. I think I'm going to edit it at Zach's family's house before we drive back down, so it's not too late for you guys. But that was my solution anyway, and you guys still get some content, and yeah, you'll still see every day. It will just be a book video on Saturday as well, so it's kind of like bonus content, if anything. So I hope that is okay with you guys. Just thought I'd let you know. Anyway, I'm going to show you my outfit, then I'm going to go and take this camera and go and film my book video, which hopefully will come out nice, and then I'm gonna edit that tomorrow morning, I think. So this is today's outfit. It's a version of an outfit that I've been wearing again and again. Sometimes I wear my green version of this jacket. Sorry, the spotlights are again annoying me, so I'm gonna just turn them off. We're just going to deal with the darkness. I think in my future house, you guys, I'm gonna try and keep the spotlights to an absolute minimum if I have to have any at all, and try and come up with other lighting solutions, because I just really dislike them as a form of lighting. Right, so yeah, I wear a version of this outfit a lot. It's what I wear when I'm just like, I need to run out the door. So I'm wearing this grey oversized Nike boyfriend t-shirt. Yeah, love this. I'm wearing it tucked into my Levi's Extra Mom jeans. I wear these literally all the time. Will I ever stop wearing them? The answer is no. And then I'm wearing my Dolman quilted jacket from Free People. Like I just said, I have this in green as well. And then I'm wearing my Pumas. I can't remember. I think they're called Thunder something, maybe. I'm going to link them down below though, so you guys can go find out if you're interested. But yeah, that's my outfit today. Super comfy and easy, quick to throw on. It is time for me to go and film. Hi my love, so I've just put my hair up into a horrible bun. Like, what is this? Just about to start doing some reading, I think. Actually, let's light my candle first. I just ate a cherry bakewell from the lunch restaurant yesterday that I forgot to eat. So I'm eating it today. Currently burning. I actually have a big one of these, but I can't bring myself to burn it. I don't know why. I'm currently burning Tuberous. Definitely one of my top 3 diptyque scents. I absolutely love it. I thought we'd do a little Lush haul because I popped into Lush today. I haven't been into Lush for ages, and I haven't had any of my favourite Lush things for absolutely ages. So I'm going to get them out for you guys so you can actually see them. So this is the Bright Side Bubble Bar. This is one of Zach's favourites. It smells of just pure oranges, basically. What's it got in it? Mandarin oil, tangerine oil, bergamot oil, and it's just delicious. I'm realising I'm doing this on a freshly remade bed, so it's probably a bad idea, but this is what it looks like. Obviously this can be used for, that can probably be used for even 3 or 4 baths, because it's such a big bath, so I love that one. Also got 2 Calmers, they're my favourites. I love the smell of this. What's it got in it? It smells incredible. Mango butter, patchouli oil, Brazilian orange oil, lavandin oil, pine oil, lemongrass oil, elemi oil, cocoa butter. So good. Smells amazing. And looks cute too. It's a nice colour for the bath. That's what that one looks like. Got a little gold top, bit of orange, little purple. Also got a Shoot for the Stars bath bomb, which I thought just smelled amazing. Kind of Smells similar to what I've already bought. Again, we've got orange oil, bergamot oil, cocoa butter, all the good stuff. Got some gold stars. And yeah, so bath bombs obviously one use only. Out of Karma I can usually do 3 or 4 baths as well. What I need is the whole like Lush system, and I need to get myself a little sieve, and I need to get myself a little Lush knife that I keep up here so I can do it properly. I always end up just messing them around a bit. Oh yeah, I got a couple of Halloween ones. So we've got the pumpkin. Wow, that's tricky to say. It's got cinnamon leaf oil, lime oil, sweet wild orange oil, Sicilian red mandarin oil, and obviously it's a little pumpkin. And finally, I got a Bewitched bubble bath. This one, I think Zach picked up this one actually. I think it's a little cat. So this will probably be like 2 baths worth, maybe 3. How cute. So I need to have a couple of Halloweeny baths this month. So that's all lovely. Can't wait for the Christmas stuff. So that's it, you guys. That's my little Lush haul. But yeah, I'm glad I picked up some bits because I haven't had any bits for ages. And oh, you guys know I love my Lush stuff. I've actually not been having that bath that often. When I started doing my sleeve properly, I sort of fell out of the habit of it a little bit. So you can't have baths obviously when you've got a fresh tattoo. But also it's been summer and stuff, so I imagine I'll have a few more now we're getting into the cooler weather. But yes, so that's that, you guys. My new bits and bobs. I am going to do some reading now. I'm going to read Suitable Boy for a few hours and hopefully make some headway with that. I'd like to read a good 100 pages today at least if we can. And then just dinner and a relaxing evening. Zach's editing the vlog. So I completely forgot to take my camera downstairs this evening, so I'm afraid there's no shots of the cat, but I will do some. Actually, I won't do some for you tomorrow because I'll be in Wakefield, so you're going to have to wait till next week to have some nice evening games with Mickey. Time for us to go to sleep. Thank you guys for watching today. I will see you tomorrow. Tomorrow will be another road trip day. Back on the road, this time up north. Got a fair bit to do in the morning though before that happens, so we'll see what time we set off. We kind of want to set off just after lunchtime really, but we'll see how that goes. I've got some editing to do in the morning. Zach's got various bits and bobs. He's going to pick up our film pictures from last week. Oh my goodness, please pray for us, you guys. I really hope they come out nice. Love you guys. See you tomorrow. Bye.